Japan, where we live, has a wonderful food culture. This is a lunchbox. A bento is a Japanese-style lunchbox filled with rice and side dishes. It is nutritionally balanced and so colorful. Bento boxes can be easily purchased at department stores, convenience stores, and other places all throughout Japan. Also, people often make bento boxes at home. Bento culture has been popular in Japan for over 1,000 years. In 2021, about 2 billion ready-made bento boxes are sold in Japan. The number of homemade bento boxes reaches about 5 billion a year, so a total of 7 billion bento boxes are consumed annually. Even here at Mikunigaoka High School, so many of us students bring our own lunch boxes. Look at all these homemade bento boxes. However, there is one problem with bento, that is the disposable cups. They are indispensable to prevent each flavor from mixing. These cups result in a lot of plastic waste. Moreover, there is the risk of accidental ingestion by small children. Looking back at this picture, we can see that most of our classmates' lunchboxes use disposable cups. That's a lot of trash, isn't it? According to our survey, about 80% of our classmates' lunchboxes has cups, and the average number is 2 per box. We mentioned earlier that 7 billion bento boxes are consumed in Japan annually. Considering that each bento box contains 2 cups on average, 14 billion pieces are used. Therefore, bento boxes cause a serious waste problem. In order to solve the problem, our team improved the conventional cups. This is our product called Rerucup. Rerucup is completely edible and is made from natural materials, so it can solve the waste problem. Rerucup will definitely change Japanese bento culture into an eco-friendly and sustainable one.
Konnichiwa, hello everyone. We are Team Rerucup in Japan. Today, we are excited to talk about our business plan. First of all, I'll tell you about problems and product detail. According to our video, Japanese frequently eat bento, which means lunchbox in Japan, and bento cups are necessary. Every year, we eat 7 billion bento and use 14 billion bento cups nationwide. However, 14 billion cups are thrown away, and there is a risk that small children or the elderly will accidentally swallow the cups. Our team really hopes to reduce plastic cup waste and accidental ingestion. To achieve this, we created an edible cup called Rerucup. One Rerucup is made from 1/3 of an orange, water, and vinegar. When sugars are fermented by acetic acid bacteria, lactic acid bacteria, and yeast, a thin elastic film called SCOBY is formed. There are 2 sizes of Rerucup available. 5.5 cm in diameter for bento at affordable price of 0.1 euro, and the bigger 10 cm in diameter for saucers at restaurants and hotels at 0.2 euro.
I'll talk about the advantages of the Rerucup. Aluminum foil cups cannot be microwaved, but Rerucups can be placed in microwave ovens. Paper cups lose their shape when they absorb oil, but Rerucups can maintain their shape, so you can put fried food in them. In addition, the shelf life is 2 years long, so it's easy to store up. Even if a small child or an elderly person eats one by mistake, Rerucup is completely edible. Rerucups actually contribute to achieving 5 SDG goals. Based on our market survey, 10% of the bento shops and 30% of the hotels agreed to use them.
I'll talk about our income and expenditure plan. In the first year of business, we plan to limit sales of our product to Osaka area. We expect to produce about 72 million Rerucups and make a profit of 290,000 euros. In 10 years, sales will be expanded to the entire Kansai area, which has 2.5 times the population of Osaka area. Finally, I'll talk about some future prospects. First, we want to add seasoning to the Rerucups and sell it as a substitute for sauces and dressing in bento. We will add balance and color variations. Next, we plan to sell them at amusement parks, stores, and campsites where we don't want to make a lot of garbage. Finally, We will sell cups for sweets such as cupcakes, small bowls for afternoon tea, and also as wrappers for hamburgers and sandwiches made of the same Rerucup material. Look here. Let's all make our bento more eco-friendly. This is all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Julia,
Yes.
Julia, may I say thank you for you in your language?
Yes.
Jackie, ευχαριστώ. Kızının.
Danke.
Jackie, Christmas.
Requiem.
Gracias.
あいたせーの。ありがとうございました。Thank you. Thank you.
That's so cool. I think that you made more progress than me during this